students. I hope everyone is fine and doing well. So today we are going to discuss about our new subject computer science that is for class 11 students. So before moving forward to our next module, we'll see what are the modules which we're going to discuss now. So here are the list of modules which we'll be going to discuss. First module is about what is computer science, and second, why should a student should choose computer science as their major subject in higher classes or for the future, and what are the career opportunities in computer science that a student will be having. So moving forward to the next slide, coming to the first module, that is what is computer science. Computer science is the study of the foundations of information and computation. So here information and computation refers to some technical terms, like information refers to the raw form of the data, and computation means any calculations that are performed in the computer, that is known as computations. And computer science is a scientific and practical approach to computation and its applications. Like here scientific and practical approach means anything which we implement in our day-to-day life is known as practical approach and scientific. So moving to the next slide, we'll be having why should a student should choose computer science as their major subject in class 12th or for future. So here's the first point: computer scientists make the world better. As in today's scenario, everyone knows that how much technology is a boon for the world. Most industries rely on data and software programs, like you have seen your phones, your microwave ovens, fridges, door locks, Wi-Fi networks, personal assistants. Everything is a technology based. So here the computer scientists are making the world better day by day. And coming to the next one, you can be one of the people who work on innovations that will take humanity forward. So by choosing this subject, you are the one who will be the future of this technology. Like, how can we predict when the next big earthquake or tsunami will happen? Or how can we stop the next major cyber attack? Or will artificial intelligence have the answer to humanity's major problems? So these are some basics of technology which scientists will be discovering in the future. Okay, so coming to the next slide, here with a computer science degree you will learn all the concepts and skills you need to answer these questions. So while studying computer science, you will be learning all the concepts, like from scratch to the advanced level, and skills that will be helpful in answering the questions to the previous slides. So technology is the part of our future, and it is up to people like you to decide how it will impact and shape our world. You don't need to dream of becoming like the next Bill Gates or Steve Jobs. You don't need. After all, Windows is still buggy, and even iPhones are not what they once were. So today, every app which you download or which you work on is having a small or major bugs in that. So the whichever updates you get regular in your phones is nothing but fixing small bugs. But you can develop the next generation of gadgets or software programs which will improve the lives of millions of people. Coming to the next slide, like computer science jobs are lucrative and rewarding. So here is the major point of choosing computer science as a major subject. As you know, computer science jobs are very rewarding because they are very highly payable. For example, you can see the software developer, he is getting paid around 77,81,898 rupees per year. Computer systems analyst is getting paid 67,82,268 rupees per year. So these are some computer science highest paid jobs: IT manager, information security analyst, database administrator, web developer, computer network architect. So you can also be one of these in the futures. Coming to the next slide. So computing offers great opportunities for creating and innovation. So whenever you choose computer as your major subject, it will be opening your minds like whatever things you are innovating, new technologies, new robots, or whatever. So computer science offers you a great opportunity. Future opportunities in computing are without boundaries. So you can stick to the point like without boundaries, because in future everything is going to be digitalized. So future opportunities are very much. Expertise in computing enables you to solve complex challenging problems. Like when you deal with computer science subject, then there are many complex problems which you will be going to think out of the box. Therefore your mind becomes sharp and your ability becomes high for solving a problem. And computing is the part of everything we do in our daily life today. So here are some of the career opportunities in computer science. Like first one is computer programmer, database administrator, hardware engineer. So a computer programmer means the person who will be coding and working on the software programs. Database administrator is nothing but you're maintaining your databases. Like whenever you log into a account, you will be having your username and password. So database administrator will be keeping all the records of your databases. And the next one is hardware engineer. Hardware engineer, you will know that hardware related items like CPU, mouse, keyboard, they will all be engineered. And hardware engineer also develops new CPUs with different configurations. So coming to the next slide, like we'll be having video game developer. The games which you see in today's scenario like PUBG, Free Fire, these are the games which are being developed by these developers. And here is another systems manager, software developer. And coming to the next one, career opportunities in cyber security. As you all know, in today's scenario, cyber security is the very most important thing for a person or an organization to focus on, because cybersecurity is the major part of the technology where everyone wants to be safe. So here are some of the career opportunities like forensics expert, security analyst, incident responder, penetration tester, security auditor, security engineer. So these are the parts of cyber security. Okay, don't worry about this cyber security words, we'll be focusing on the main terms. Okay, so here are some of the best computer science colleges in India which will be like knowing about that. So here first is IIT Bombay, second IIT Delhi, third IIT Madras, fourth IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Guwahati. So these are some best colleges like for IITs. And other than these, there are so many different private colleges there also. You can get best degrees, so need not worry about that. So I hope you all are satisfied with your computer science subject and you'll be working on it very gratefully, and always stay focused on your work. Thank you. All the best for your future.